Now that is a weird contrail right there. I can't even see it through the viewfinder. Very strange, very strange. I am a little bit excited. I'm on my way to go pick up 5 chainsaws. 4 of them are Stihl chainsaws, and one of them is a Husqvarna. But I am in South Shreveport, and you know, it's a real mix of, I guess, not classes of people, but I don't even know the right word to use. You have working class people every day of all races, working class people. And then you have the vultures that prey on the working people. And that's where I am in South Shreveport. You've got good, normal working folks here who are just stuck living around bad folks. Yeah, go ahead, pull out. I'm not doing nothing. I'll hit my brakes. There's not a soul behind me either. Anyway, that's why I got Betty Beretta with me. All right, I'm gonna go in here to Lowe's, and in about 45 minutes, I'll be picking up my shiny new chainsaws. See what I mean? Dangerous city. Shreveport is a dangerous city. Got, what, 3 cops to pull over a car. Oh, we had a wreck. Oh, yeah, big wreck. Okay. I'll tell you, you really got to be on your toes in this town. Well, I got them. I'll show them to you when I get home. I am south of Shreveport, down here in the town of Keithville, Louisiana. So, let's get back to my shop. Okay, this is the 021 Stihl that I bought for 25 bucks and fixed it for 7 or 8, less than 10 bucks. And man, it is a really good saw. Lots of power. And okay, I'm going to show you my saws, the ones I got just a minute ago. O21, 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 031, really old, and a Husky 141. All 16-inch bars. This one, you can put a 20-inch bar on this. And I'll tell you what I gave for them, just because it's part of the video. I gave $250 for all 5 of them. None of them are running. They all turn over though, and they all have compression. So it's fuel or electric, meaning coil, spark plug wire, or carburetor, or fuel lines. So it's all fairly easily fixable, and I know that I can triple my money on these. All right, let's get started. Actually, no, I got to go to Lowe's. I went to Lowe's, and I got a girl with 3-inch fingernails and what looked like a mop on her head told me that I had to take them back to the same store. I said, no, I don't. It's like Walmart. I can buy something at Walmart in Amarillo and turn it back in Lubbock, you know, get a refund. And she argued with me. I said, well, let me speak to the manager. And of course, the manager wasn't there, so I decided to just leave and not get mad. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Breezy? Isn't that the best thing to do? Just not get mad. Anyway, I got to go unload these chainsaws and then go to Lowe's and Marshall and then come back, and I may start tinkering with them just to see if I can get one. Weird. See if I can get one or 2 or more to working with just a minimal effort. So I'll be back in a little bit. All right, I'm putting the chainsaws on hold till I finish. Putting on. Here's my impact driver. I'm using my impact wrench, my Makita, and I am making something to put all these on the wall. I'm starting it now, so I'll show you what I got. I actually doubt I'll get to the chainsaws today, because as soon as I make this, I'm making something for my pliers. And that's probably it for the wall. I'm pretty much done with putting my tools where I want them. All right, there's that. Now I want to make something similar for my pliers, and I want to put it right about here. All right, it's late. My wife's not feeling good. I've been gone all day, so actually it's still kind of early, but I'm gonna clean up and go up and be with my wife for a while. Tomorrow I'm gonna cut one tree down, and then I'm working on chainsaws.